Hello guys, welcome again. Today in JavaScript learning series, we are going to learn the difference between call, apply and bind function in JavaScript. So just take an example. We have a function like this message, or I can say display, anything we can take. And here I say console.log and I say that f first name equal to plus this dot f name first name like this. Similarly, I just have one more line and I say last name equal to I say L name, or I say here F name. Okay, this one, and I call this function and I run it. So you will see that these two are undefined because we have not initialized the value. But how we can initialize the value? We can create an object and I say names equal to f name. Remember that variable name should be same. A capital, F name, N capital, and here I say Dr. Vipin. One more thing, L, N capital, and here I say Tevatiya, or I can say Kumar also. If I run this, now no change, but I can use call here, dot call, and under the call I can pass the object like this. Now it will run perfectly. You see the Dr. Tevatiya, Vipin Tevatiya is coming here. Similarly, I can use apply also. I can pass the name here like this and I can call apply also. No problem at all. And I can call bind also. Bind, I say like this. Save it and run it. But you see, bind is not calling. Why? Because bind is used to save this as an expression in the different function like this. Now I can call this one also. I can run this one also. You see the third time is coming. So bind is used to pass the value of this function to the object, and this object we will run as a function, then it will display the result. So this does not display result, it sends the value to the object, but call and apply, they display the result. So we have this type of thing. So bind is pass the value in object, we can run the object here. Apply and call we can use to display data. Now what is the difference between apply and call? If suppose we have some other argument here, for example, I say that live at here and I say here the place like this. Okay, but this is not the object variable, this is the object, this is the parameter here like this place. So this place parameter I can pass here after this, and I can say I live in Ghaziabad, or I can say Delhi NCR, Delhi NCR like this I can pass and I run it. So you see here we have the Delhi NCR, here we do not have an argument because we are not pass. Here I can also pass, but if I write it here like this normally, which I given in call, so it will generate error. You see the error is there because it only understand the array. So I have to pass this value under the array, then it will understand it and you see the value is coming. So that means call and apply both are the same, but the one change is there that the number of parameter we can pass here without a array in call, but in apply we have to use a array. For example, if one more value I have here, and the one more value is, I say qualification, okay, qualification, and I just paste it here and I say qualification, and here I just write qualification like this. So one more value I can pass here like this, PhD, but here I have to pass inside a array like PhD. Remember, here inside a array I have to pass, and here in just by one comma I can pass. So it is running perfectly like this. You see. So this is the difference between call and apply. In apply we have to use array for passing a argument. In call we can use just by comma, otherwise both are same. In bind we can pass it to object and object will call. Okay, and remember that here the parameter is undefined, so here I can also pass the parameter like this. Save it and run it. You see, so we have here also, remember, so we can pass parameter to bind also like this, but bind do not execute the statement right now. It pass the statement to the message and this message will run the statement. So that is the difference between call, apply and bind in JavaScript. If you really learn anything from this video, kindly like my video, subscribe my channel, share my video, and thank you for watching this video also.